put in that place or milk or that agada meaning the money or security for that place before you enter university. You think was I didn't see you with that.
I agree.
So but all these things about acts of patriotism the guy in there, and of course also Anambra, I didn't come Stanley. Now even I need you because I'm not can stay there. I'll make a positive thing. I don't like you promote the positive things. But I do all means the just and criticize by Nigeria or criticize by Soludo. Instead of criticize their some unpatriotic acts and the mad citizens never Nigeria when negative effect. Because now, for example, somebody I made you to Liverpool, and the passion.
Never walk alone. Yeah.
Anybody I bring out all the positive. I want to praise singing because I want to they criticize him the few the right. Then you should allow somebody sit go down, feel no and them up, and they criticize everyone about man. So what if you need the only evidence that the guy in there on them up maybe Agbam. This guy why every of his birthday or short or down his business here. Unde mara na bata. Mande one at no Mande always even in the oya bata that place they will even aga. O mele na Anambra or men na Jos or men na Abuja men na Otu Akosebia.
Unu wabonde lolo under Willie Obiano. Abia Oluko that Odika on great politicians Obiano produce. Somebody like you now, you have admitted that somehow you became a failed politician because you tried politics, you did not succeed.
I didn't admit that I'm a failed politician.
But you tried it, you did not succeed. That means you failed.
I've never been a politician.
But you tried to contest. You were not clear. So far now,
because was a man with Anya, what I walk and I go out or with Anya entrepreneur. Or I believe I'm a on your Liverpool, except in the mind. How much on your Liverpool?
Liverpool.
We can always collaborate. We do it.
That since now, Liverpool, what do you think will happen if we go to our new signings? What do you think about this season when it comes to Liverpool?
Emana onye malo mgbe na ya afọ osisa we are got even in my kita.
Hey, mgbe enwe Malamba
match. I did in the match as na manti Liverpool match na etinye nke Chelsea on the Man U ya got even in kita. So ndị ekwu otu a na-ekwu ya so dị go so because na mma the effort I make we no le buy no. So bia wo ya Liverpool dey ready retain the season. Para challenge. The only problem I will na ya moro mo was na ya bo second so call Chelsea ya second. As for Man U ya try. You man have finished 15 last time. So now I continue with Amorim again. I get finish 20 in memory of Jota. On all na change